One of the best things you can do for garden birds is make a tit box. Blue tits and great tits readily nest in boxes, which mimic their natural environment of holes in trees. Tit boxes are quick and easy to make, and for garden birds are worth their weight in gold. This box is designed for blue tits. When making a nest box, aim to create a snug, draft-free environment so the baby chicks can develop without getting cold. See how the sides fit together here and are nice and flush, so there are no drafts coming in. The hole should be near the top to prevent cats from reaching in and grabbing the chicks inside, and it's a good idea to drill a drainage hole in the base. Here I've fixed the roof using a hinge, which makes it easy to clean after it's been used, but you can screw it down if you prefer. So here are the pieces of the box. This is the back of the box, the longest piece. These are the two side pieces. Make sure they fit well together, as this will create a more flush finish. The front panel and the roof are the same size, and then you've got a smaller piece here for the base. Okay, so now we're going to drill the pieces of the box together, starting by drilling the sides to the back. I find that it helps to pre-drill holes into the wood, as this prevents the wood from splitting when you screw in the screws. Okay, so the next piece we put on is the front piece, like so. This is for a tit box, but if you were making a robin box, you'd use a smaller piece and put it on like that, which would create an open fronted box. So again, I've pre-drilled holes in here so that it doesn't split the wood. So once you've got the basic framework of the box, it's time to drill the hole. Just sand away any rough edges so the birds don't get snagged on their way out. So next we're just going to put the base in here, which just slots in at the bottom, like so, and then we just drill it in from the side. And at this point it's a good idea to drill a drainage hole in the bottom of the box. So now we're going to attach the roof using the hinge. I find it helps to attach the hinge to the roof first. So just use really small screws here and gently drill them on. And then line the roof up with the rest of the box and screw the hinge on. So lastly, we're going to fix a piece of roof flashing over the roof, which just prevents rain from coming in here and getting the chicks wet. Finally, drill a hole in the top here so you can fix it to your fence, and you have a lovely, snug blue tit box.